Okay, so we've been out of structural resin from the end of last year. Our supplier finally has it in stock, so I'm on my way to pick some up. Alright, pulling up now. Gonna get 10 gallons. Alright, mission accomplished. Time to head home and get some work done. It's been a while since we did anything due to the lack of materials. We were a little lazy too, but yeah, mostly because we didn't have any resin. Well, maybe a little bit of both. Well, back to it. Finally, at long last, we could see the light at the end of the tunnel. All the structural work that we've been doing, it started out as just a stringer repair to everything you've seen already. So yeah, looking forward to making some quick progress. Alright folks, we're going to get right into it. Here's some previous work we did around the holidays and shortly after into the new year. I'm going to skip right through it pretty quickly just to get you guys updated. So after we replaced the core in the port side midsection, we did a fit and noticed that that side was sitting a little too high in the hull. So we took it out. We're going to plane it down, sand it down, do what we got to do to get it to the right thickness. So after a layer of fiberglass is on it to seal it, that'll be just the right height. So enough of me chatting. Enjoy the video. I got a fancy new tool, so I'm gonna make some use of it now and put a round over on the edge of this. Picking resin. Okay, so I'm out here doing some prep on this floor section. I was opening this up because this is where we want our third bulkhead to make contact with this floor right along here. So I end up opening these two to make room for that, and they were full of junk. And look here, that's what we got. So I opened a bunch of them, and I'm gonna get my hose and spray all that. Yeah, spray all that out. That should be a good watch. Look at that. Look at all that junk. Look at all that junk. Yucky. Yucky. Alright, foam filled stringers part 2. Stop right there, stop short. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Drip there, gonna bubble up. It's running. I know it. It's running. It reached the thing already. Going? Oh my goodness. Nathaniel, don't listen. That's gonna completely fill the foam now. Where's it leaking from? In the flat, right?
Yep.
Yeah. We're gonna find some in that out. Yet another case of listen, Daddy knows best, you know. Oops, we sprung a leak. Full. Getting full. Getting full. Almost full. Okay, this side is full. Full, full, full. Messy, but full. This way, I'd say that's a good 2/3 or 3/4. Yeah, see in there. I see in there. Yeah. 2/3 or 3/4, so he's full. Maybe 1 or 2 more pours on this side, and we'll be good to go. And this time we're using 8-pound foam instead of 4-pound foam which we used up there. So it should be more dense and be able to take more impact and make the hull that much stronger, maybe. Second foam pour is complete. Poured on starboard side. Now I'm gonna clean up this chaos.